Hi, I'm Emma, Senior Adjudicator with the DPS. The deposit belongs to the tenant, it is their money. If you want to claim a deduction from the deposit, you need to provide sufficient evidence to support your claim and prove you're entitled to the deduction. To claim for repairs and redecoration, you need to show that the property was not returned in a comparable condition to that at the start of the tenancy, and that the damage was caused after the tenant had entered the property. While a detailed checkout video or report may show the condition of the property at the end of the tenancy, the absence of any evidence showing the condition of the property at the start means that the adjudicator can't confirm that the tenant was responsible for the damage or take into account any fair wear or tear. Invoices are useful to assess the reasonableness of the costs, but these documents do not prove the tenant's liability. To enable the adjudicator to assess the claim, they will need evidence from both the start and the end of the tenancy.